Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be showcasing or trying out some cosmetics from I hope I've said that right. Vieve. So I got the complexion products, I bought these myself, so I thought we'd give it a go. I always thought she was very beautiful. So let's make a start. So I've never used them before. I've used the eyeshadows before, but never these. So let's give it a go. So I'm just going to start with a little bit of skin prep. I mentioned in a previous video about a little spot I had here that was taking a while to go. The mark they left behind, a lot of people were saying I should get it checked out for, in case it was something sinister, like a sunspot that's gone wrong, or it was just a spot. I squeezed it, stuff came out. I'm getting old, things take a while to go away. So I've just prepped the skin and it looks lovely. So I bought 3 concealers because I like to use these as base. So I bought 3 in shades light 3, light 4 and light 5. So I'm going to actually start with light 3. Because I think that's probably going to be the closest match. Now I've never used this, I don't know anything about it. So I'm going to start out with just a couple of dots. And I'll just do one side just so I can feel how it's going to blend. I'm going to be using my F4 brush. I have all these wonderful brushes that I created and I forget to speak about them, which is incredibly frustrating. Okay, so it's a full coverage, no doubt, zero doubt there now. Yep, I can move that all the way across my forehead, so I used way too much. I think the shade is a little off for me. I think it's a little, to me it looks a little too yellow, but we'll see as we go along. We're going to alter this shade anyway because we're going to add some bronzer, but it does look a little on the yellow side for my skin tone. The product itself though feels really nice. It has a matte finish by the look of it. I can't see there being much of a dewy finish to this, but it blends well and it goes a long way. So let's do the other side. Got another spot here. Look, just for today, just for filming. Let's buff that in. The finish is nice and full coverage. I probably could have gone a shade lighter, but I didn't get a shade lighter one. It's definitely a little too warm for my skin. But we're going to add some bronzer in a minute since I bought one of those. The finish is really nice and it definitely covers. It's too much coverage for me personally, but that's because I used too much. I could have used a dot and moved this around and it would have been perfect for me. So that was light 3. So next up, let's start with the bronzers. So I got them in both light and medium. So let's compare the colours. I tested these on the back of my hand earlier. So we've got light and medium. We're going to start with light and just see where it takes us because you never know. I'm going to be taking my gorgeous little rounded brush here, which is just good for everything. And this is number F2. Don't even know the numbers. So I'm just going to swill it into the product and I'm just going to tap it. So it blends like a dream. This is only a few shades deeper than what I just used as a foundation. You can see that it's not showing up too much because it's a little bit too light. Although without makeup on, this would probably be the perfect base for me. Blends like an absolute dream of a product. I'm going to go in with some of the medium because I need to bronze up my neck. So let's go in with the medium and we'll dot it across the nose. So basically the high points. And now I'm going to start with the neck area, and I'm just going to warm this up to begin with so that we've got more of a match when I blend this out. Honestly, this blends like butter. It's way better than the Chanel one, without a doubt, way better. There we go. So that's definitely giving me that bronzed look, no doubt there. Let's blend the cheeks. I'm going to blend it into the eye socket on the outside corner. Blending it around and down. I've got a watery eye. Watery eye. Let's blend this. So I'm not trying to contour, I'm just trying to blend it all out. I'm going to go down the sides of the nose, over the eye. Oh, that blends well. Look how good that blended in. And now my face and neck match, so I look like I belong to the same person. I'm going to add a touch more just down the sides of the nose here. Just want to give that real sun-kissed look to the skin. So I also bought some of the lip oils. I bought the coveted Skin Dew, and I also bought a couple of highlighters, but I think the Skin Dew is probably going to do the trick, because when I popped it onto the back of my hand earlier, I mean, that is insane amount of product. Now I could be wrong here, but the thing with highlighters is that they deepen when they go out of shadow, but so you can see it's quite light and then it darkens as it kind of moves. So you want to be careful if you're very fair skinned, but it blends out really. Look at that shine. That is beautiful. Okay, so I'm just going to pop this just there and then use a clean finger to blend that in. Let's try it on the, I've got to be careful on this side because this side is more problematic with those kind of mallet bags. So I'm going to apply it and then blend it in. If you can see where I'm applying it, apply a touch more. I don't want to go overboard with highlighter because I think it's not attractive when there's too much, but each to their own. I'm going to apply a touch down the bridge of the nose, and then I'll apply a little bit just above the brow just to catch the light. It's a really pretty product. I think on this bronze skin look, it looks really pretty. Really pretty. I'm going to matte out a little bit of the face. This bronzer, I'm so impressed. I love the concealer as well, but really impressed. I'm going to finish it off with this lip oil. I like a lip oil. Lip Dew Glossy Lip Oil. This is the shade Rosa. Let's see. So that's the applicator, my friends. Very nice. A hint of colour, and that is a hint. I got some other shades. There's one that looks like a sand. Let me grab it. Here it is. That's really pretty, and that is called Original. Let's add a touch of that as well, just for fun. It's very nice. It feels nice. So I'm just going to mattify a little bit of my face, just a small amount. Just those problematic areas, and leaving that shine. So that way, but the concealer was matte, or is matte, should I say. So I can still see where I put the shine here. And of course on the cheekbone when I move. No blush today because I didn't purchase any from the brand and I didn't want to use someone else's. This is really pretty. Let me show you on the back of my hand. Let me just clean up that skin dew there. And I'll show you the two highlighters I got as well. I got Holy Chic and Bijou. So let's have a look. Same packaging as the concealer, which is no problem for me. That's very nice. And let's just go with the slightly deeper one. And we'll pop that there, just so I can show you the comparison between the two shades. There you go, my friends. Look at that. Really pretty. Let me blend these in so you can kind of get a more feel of what it'll look like when it's blended in a bit more. It likes to focus on my eyes. So the deeper one is going to be way too deep for my skin tone because it's just going to darken when I move my head around. But I bet you that would make a nice base for on your eyelid for a shimmery eyeshadow. I bet it would look really nice. So there you go. That's the full face of Vieve. And I really like it. Beautiful shine there. That is an epic shine. That's from that. Wow. I got the extra large one as well. I don't know why, but I did. And it's just given a really pretty... So let me just get in a bit closer so you can see the skin here. And this is from that concealer. And it was a bit dark, and that's nothing to do with the company. That's me picking the wrong shade. But otherwise, I think it's a really, really pretty line. I really like the eyeshadow palettes as well. I think they're great. There's a lot of matte shades in them, which I've got to take this off my lips. There's nothing wrong with the product. I just hate stuff on my lips. A big fan of matte eyeshadows in general. I think they always just perform very well on people's eyes. But I love the eyeshadow palettes. I also had the bronzers as well, but the powder ones. But I wanted to try the creams because I'm a big fan of cream products and liquid products. It's really nice. It's very nice indeed. Let me know what you think. If you've tried the brand, what you think. Would love to know. Thanks for watching, my lovely friends. This is almost an unedited video. They're the ones I love the best. And I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.